Hello friends, a very good evening to all of you. Today I am taking up the third idiom, and the idiom is bell and whistle. The meaning of bell and whistle is things which are not essential, but it is added intentionally to make it more impressive and to make it more attractive, right? यानी कि वो चीज़ें जो इम्पॉर्टेंट तो नहीं है ऐड करना, बट उसको इंटेंशनली इसलिए ऐड किया जाता है कि वो या तो बहुत अट्रैक्टिव दिखे या बहुत इम्प्रेसिव दिखे, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बेल एंड व्हिसल. नाउ द सेंटेंस दैट यू कैन फ्रेम for this idiom is the car was equipped with all the bell and whistle which you could ask for. Simple way of using the idiom in the sentence. This is all for today. We'll see you tomorrow with a new word. Thank you so much.